Perfect trading method, trading with expert option on EUR USD, with great trading results. Let's set up our graph style into candles with at least a 10-second time frame. This is great for achieving with a 1-minute expiry time. Make sure to trade on a normal currency pair. We will attach our first indicator, the Alligator indicator, with a period of 15, and lips and teeth set to their default period settings. Then we will attach it to our chart. We will also hide social traders so that we can focus on our own trades. We must also set our trading duration to 30 seconds since expert option has the settings to trade with a 30-second expiry time. Take a look at the pattern here. It goes up, then downtrend, then uptrend. We can easily detect it with our Alligator indicator. Whenever all three lines are vertical, it indicates that there will be a reversal of that trend. Let's trade going down. Got a good position on that trade. Let's wait for another confirmation and be patient when trading. We will add another Bollinger Bands indicator with a period of 13 and a deviation of 2.5 as a filtering method. In case we cannot make a good trade, it's better not to rely on just one indicator. Having two or more indicators can provide a solid affirmation of your trading position. Since we are not dealing with line crossovers, we will change the colored line to white. We have a squeezing moment here, indicating the trade is likely to go upward. All white lines are horizontal, making this the very best chance to trade higher. I admit that I traded in poor conditions market and traded at the highest resistance level, instead of trading it here. This is not good, and we will probably incur a loss later. If we lose on that trade, we will use the martingale method for 3 attempts to recover our loss. The trend is uptrending, offering a good chance to recover our loss and secure a winning trade. We know that it is in an uptrend state. Good trading confirmation. See the rest of the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to get the latest trading strategies with expert option and other trading brokers. We have another instance here. It is good for 30 seconds of fast trading. We will only trade whenever all lines intersect or cross with each other. Make sure that the candle is not below the lowest support level or on this level. Let's trade lower. We lost on that one. I was trying to figure out the best 30 seconds for expert options. Let's trade with another one. The trend is going down, as all lines are parallel with each other. I'll trade lower on it. Another good spot to trade higher. It creates a long red candle bar, reaching its lowest support band, while creating short candles here and might tend to go up. I'll go trade higher on it. We will be losing on this. We will recover by trading triple times on this entry. Perfect trading method.